Improvising the moon. When was the last time you looked at the moon? Was there music for that in your head? The moon is so close and yet part of the vast unknown. The moon hangs in silence, a glowing guardian in the night sky. Mysterious, ancient, at home in the endless breadth of space. Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a special kind of improvisation, inspired by the moon. Have a listen. In this video, I'll guide you through a simple framework to improvise your own moonlit soundscape. We'll explore first the LYDIAN mode for that ethereal otherworldly feeling. Second step, chords and arpeggios to build emotion and depth. And third step, how to use voicings to create color and atmosphere. By the way, you can download a free guide which provides all the steps you need to learn and master improvisation. It's down there in the description. So let's get started. First step, the LYDIAN mode. I think you know the C major scale. So we have C, D, E, F, G, A, B and C. So we raise the F by a half step to F sharp. And so we have the LYDIAN scale. C, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B and C. That raised fourth from F to F sharp gives LYDIAN its signature, the floating quality. Bright spaces, perfect for moon theme. Try just playing up and down slowly. With your right hand, the LYDIAN mode. Use F sharp. Listen to that open, unresolved sound. Let your fingers explore without thinking too much. Practice the LYDIAN scale with your right hand. Take your time. Second step, chords and arpeggios. Now let's add some harmony. Start with basic triads or seventh chords from the LYDIAN scale. In C LYDIAN, good options are, of course, C or C major. So we have the C, E, G and B, or D major with the 7, D, F sharp, A and C, or E minor, E, G, B, or F sharp diminished, F sharp, A and C, or G major, G, B, D, or with the 7, F sharp. Play these as broken chords or arpeggios. Let them breathe between phrases. For example, let your right hand wander freely in the scale while the left plays these arpeggios. It's like painting with light. Let's go to step 3, voicings. To really bring the moon's atmosphere alive, we need color. That's where voicings come in. Take a simple C and spread it out. With our left hand, we play C and the G here and the E here. Or let's add the 9 of the chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's a D. And play with our right hand the LYDIAN scale. LYDIAN phrases. Or let's play A minor with our left hand, but let's add the 9. And let's use the first inversion of A minor and add the 9. It's the B. And let's play around with our right hand LYDIAN phrases. Voicings are powerful. Or let's use A minor and the 9 by this kind of voicing. Let's skip the A, this one. Let's go to D major. This is the first inversion, but play the 9. Let's use the D here and add the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the second inversion, the sound. And add the 9 of the D. So we have the 4 and the 9. Very nice sound. So let's play around with it, with the chord and the voicings. You can also use pedal tones. Hold C in the bass while changing upper harmonies. Or you can use the spreaded voicing in your left hand. Let's play around the LYDIAN phrases with our right hand. Very quietly. A minor, played slowly with space between ideas. Let silence be part of the music. So, with just a few tools, the LYDIAN mode, some flowing arpeggios and colorful voicings, you can create something truly atmospheric. Something that feels like the moon. Let the image guide your imagination. Play without pressure. Improvise like you are floating just above the earth. In silence. So I will keep repeating myself. You have such a wonderful musical gift. You can learn to improvise, no matter if you are a beginner or more advanced. But what you need is a structured path, one step at a time. melodies, arpeggios, chords, voicing, dynamic. My free guide provides that structure of your learning path. You can download it in the description. So, if you enjoyed this and want more improvisation lessons with emotional themes, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep playing. I will talk to you soon.